Hello. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make my Origamic architecture heart card. As always, you can download a free PDF template at my website www.popupology.co.uk. There is a direct link just beneath the screen here. And I would print out the PDF once on a red card and then once on a white card, and just mix and match the two different elements of this piece, being a holder with an appropriate message that keeps our insert, and our insert, which is going to be the pop-up element in the shape of a heart. So I'm going to concentrate on the heart for the moment. I'm going to put this aside for now. And once you have printed out your template and cut it very carefully along all the lines indicated, you will need to start by trying to gently caress these cuboid shapes forward. As you can see, they're in a chain with what seems like rectangles connected by smaller rectangles, linkages, and each alternate larger rectangle will want to be coming forward and all the linkages will want to be going backwards. So we can start the folding by pinching our card from two sides and just helping it on its way with a gentle push from behind with one of our fingers, just like so. As you can see, I can press the adjacent smaller linkages backwards whilst at the same time making this element protrude, and essentially I am just repeating that process with all the other cuboid shapes. What you need to bear in mind is that no adjacent fold will be the same, so they alternate between a mountain fold, then a valley fold, then a mountain, valley, mountain, etc. So you just need to proceed with that in mind. So you can see this little element here comes forward, and at the same time just keep the adjacent cubes firmly forward whilst you are working on the adjacent elements. And you just need to, at your own pace, proceed along the entire shape. You don't need to collapse or overfold at this stage. Just be very careful and make them quite shallow, but consistently across the whole design, as you can see here. We're starting to get to the tricky areas at the edge of our design, where you have these very delicate small folded elements that will take a lot of careful attention, but they work in the same way, so you know that this is going to protrude forwards. So help it on its way, pop it out like that, and then move on to the next one, like so, and again, down here. In a sequence, just go all along the edge, continuing on the other side. You will need to firmly press with those pinching techniques on the two planes by the side in order to do this more easily, like so. We are reaching almost the end of our border. So once we have gently begun to fold out those borderline elements, as you can see here, we are almost ready for our collapse. We just need to review the whole design to see if everything is in place and ready for the final collapse. And indeed, just need to make it slightly more pronounced certain places. And as you can see, it's almost ready. It's almost wanting to collapse into shape. And at this stage, you are ready to kind of hold it in the cup of your hands, in your palms, and just quite consistently but bravely push from two sides. This needs to be a little bit more pronounced here. And just need to collapse it from two sides, like so. Be brave about this. And then just finally press it down with gentle pinches across the shape, profile of our card, and then open it out and just reverse it, because we're going to be inserting the card this way around. And then just go back and get your holder with your love message, and we'll need to be folding this down as well. This will be a lot simpler. Just fold it in half along the fold line, and we'll be inserting our heart shape. One of the hooks, as you can see here, is pointing downwards in the right hand slot, and the other one pointing upwards, as you can see there, just in this slot. Just do this carefully, like so, and then we'll just collapse our final card down, just smooth it out a bit, and there we have our finished love, Valentine's, or just any occasion heart card. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time.